Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 5 challenges, let's take up our 6th challenge now, which is give discount for long subscription. So once if you launch your playground, go to your app launcher and click on Salesforce CPQ. So here just click on the tab discount schedules followed by new. Let's copy our discount schedule name over here, which is given as 3 years up. So by clicking on new, paste this over here and click on save. So now click on edit tires, which is right over here. Let's copy your tire name. So just paste it over here. So for lower bound give it as 36 and for person give it as 15. So once if it is done, click on save. So guys, now let's go to our products and now search and click on virtual meeting license followed by edit over here. So here under team discount schedule we are gonna search for SUB so that you will get this 3 years up, and for team discount level give it as group. So once if it is done, click on save. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed this challenge as well. So remaining final challenge will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.